Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, St. Eloy Lupopo 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Siyaphila futhi. Ufila kanjani game namhlanje?
Today ngijabulile. Like last time ngicomplain ngoKhardoso no sales. Today bashintshile. Happy usales. Way too.
Yeah.
The way to me bedlala ngakhona today. Ngijabulile usales wangena ushintshe game.
Game, yeah.
Yes, so siwinile 3-1 against enye team like bedlala nge5 at the back. And especially yes, and especially second half makungena sales. Last qalo bona khona iSundowns iqala ukucombine. So today I khona singakhululeka kaKhardoso. Maybe you can say uthi maybe eMamelodi or Atteridgeville bamunikeza stand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so manje maybe bangamunikeza stand somewhere around Pretoria.
Oh, at least akhe khona la. So angahambi.
For now siyabona ukuthi no ento thina esabalandeli sikhala ngazo.
Number 1,
yeah. Wasintsha kancane kancane. Yeah.
Yini lena benifuna ukuthi ayenze benikhala ngayo?
Like style of play. Hayi le ukuthi izwe emuva and hope forward and hope for the best. Asiyo seyifunayo sina as amasandawana. Mele sibone iplay, social and piano, combinational play.
And ngibonile namhlanje.
Siyibonile namhlanje. That's why ngithi si happy. Nanoma bangathi sidliwe sidlala kanje. Now we are jabula thina. That sihlulekile but besidlala. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Congratulations Bafo and all the best.
Okay, lastly. Ngiyabona abantu baza for my interview. So guys, I'm a girlfriend wenu, abobhuti wenu, cala subscribe to Ngobo 2010 Sharp I.
Thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga.
Hola.